good leader leads by example, and that's not just, being in there and working hard. It's being open about your failures, whether that be current or in the past, talking to these people and finding a common ground where they know that, you're not perfect and you have made those mistakes along the way. And when they make those mistakes, instead of having a visceral reaction or just crushing this person, you pick them up. You pick them up and say, hey, it's okay, you messed up. There are gonna be repercussions to this mess up, but let's do it again. Let's try doing it. Let's try doing it a different way. I was given a second chance at, numerous times in my life. But when I was 18, going to prison for 5 to 7 years, the judge and the prosecuting attorney saw something in me that nobody else took the time to see. And because of that, I was given the choice of prison time or go in the military. So I went into the military, and after that, I was an honor grad in boot camp, went through BUDS, and I had a great career. There was a lot of failures in that career as well that then helped me to climb the ladder pretty quickly in those positions of leadership. And then seeing other people with similar backgrounds, or, a big part of that is when you meet somebody or you work with them, you can see that there's potential in somebody, and you just watch them. You can see their work ethic. You can see their willingness to try something and fail and then try again. So when you see that in somebody, you're then able to use those past failures of yours to help them gain their own roadmap to success. And it might not look exactly like how you did, but that's where your failures come in to account so much more, because you don't just expect for them to be perfect right off of the bat. You got to give them room to grow. And in that, each of us thinks and does things differently, and that's where tactics have come from. That's where we have evolved, is in that faith and that leadership. You have to have faith in yourself, knowing that if this person messes up, that you can help them to correct it, and having faith in yourself to know that when the hires come down on you, that you have the ability to speak to it and give somebody kind of a get well plan and stick up for them, because that's what ultimately leadership is. It's being of service to these people around you. And to me, leadership it's not necessarily climbing a ladder, right? Because each spot that you get to has so many dimensions, but it grows wide. So you have to grow your foundation, and you do that with these people and gaining their trust and giving them faith to be themselves. So when you go up to that next, we'll call it a building, when you go up to that next story, you continue to build up that foundation, and that's how you continue to grow and have success in leadership, is by building up the people around you that help you to continue to go up to that next level.